How were U-boats powered? A. Hand crank. B. Diesel. C. Battery. D. Both B and C. E. None of these. Or F. All of these. In order to answer this question, we need information from paragraph 5, which I have posted here. Here we find our first description of the German U-boats. The text tells us that some argue that the U-boat was more of a submersible, since U-boats operated primarily on the surface using diesel engines and submerged only occasionally to attack using battery power. From here we see that when the U-boat was on the surface, it used diesel, and when it submerged, it used battery power. Diesel and battery are both listed as options in our choices. However, because choice D combines both of them by offering us B and C as an answer, we can head down and mark D as our final answer.